Hello traders, in this video I am going to show you how I will do the pre-market analysis exactly. This is the way a professional trader prepares for the next day. Maybe this is not the same strategies or the same system they are following, but they have some form of pre-market analysis and they are going to follow their analysis in the live market. So that the benefit of doing this is you're going to have a big picture of the charts, okay, and what the price action today has done and what it is going to be tomorrow will be known to you. So if you are having a plan in your mind, what happens in the live market? If the market approves your pre-market analysis, you will go and take the trade. Like when you are going to a place, like if you are going to Delhi, and you have to know which vehicles took you to Delhi. The meaning for this is you have to go by a train or a flight. So there are some form of preparation is there to go from point A to point B. In this case you are going to Delhi. So what happens? You should have a plan for that. In the case of day trading, this is like planning for the day. This is the road map for you. So let's get into this video. By the completion of this video, you will understand how to do pre-market analysis with the CPR pivot points. So first I would like to take you to the daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's go to the pre-market analysis. So I would like to mark the gap orders in the daily time frame. Okay, gap orders are something where the price opened gap down or the price opened gap up like this. So you can see here, I will zoom it for you. Gap borders from here till here there is a gap. So I have given blue color for this gap border. Okay, so whenever the price comes to this area, there is a significance for that. Okay, later on the video maybe I can discuss, or some of my future videos will cover this topic. To know more about this analysis, please do watch my videos regularly. So I am marking this gap border. So see here, you can see here, this is the gap border. Already I have written here because for few days this is the only gap border we have. So already I have marked these levels here. Now let's go to the Nifty also. Here also there is a gap border. I'll do it in a systematic way. First gap borders, next swing highs and swing lows, something like that. There is a particular process I follow every single day. Irrespective of the profits or the losses, I follow the system. I enter the trade, I take the profit or the loss, I learn the lessons every single day and I improve myself. In this way, I can make some good amount of money from the market. To make money from the market, you have to give yourself 100%. That 100% for me is the pre-market analysis. So here also, the gap border levels are these two. Why I have done this? This is very easy for my followers or my Telegram members to look at these levels. So the next one is the swing high and the swing low. You can see here, swing highs are something, there is no high, immediate high. Okay, this is the swing high. And you can see this is the swing low. Okay, these are the swing lows. Last time it took support at the swing low. Okay, this is the swing high and this is the swing low. So you can see here, these are the high and low levels for Bank Nifty. And this is the high and this is the low for Nifty itself. If you want to know in detail about pre-market analysis, I have a complete pre-market analysis video. You can watch that also. So this is the swing low. I could explain it here. Swing is something like this. Okay. This is the swing high and this is the swing low. There is no immediate lows here. So this is the swing high. This is the swing low. So we mark these levels because these are going to be strong supports. Earlier this is a strong resistance and here it is a strong support. So we mark these levels to make it to observe the price how it reacts at these levels. You can see here last week there is a big fall in the markets. Let me explain the importance. There is a fall from swing high to swing low and suddenly it took support at this point. There is a up move happening here. This is the importance of swing highs and swing lows. By knowing this information, I have saved so many trades. That means if I don't know about this swing low concept, maybe I have entered a strong trade. Okay. In this way I have saved many trades. So you can see here, this is the swing high and swing low levels. Hope you understand what is swing high and swing low. Again, next, the supply and demand zone in the 30-minute time frame. Now let's go to the, and one more thing here is swing highs and swing lows don't really change more often. Why? Because they are the strong big supports and resistances. So see here the supply and demand zone here, 30-minute time frame. Okay, 30-minute time frames. Okay, now we have to mark the swing highs and swing lows here. See, this is the green line I have marked yesterday and I want to delete this green line because this line, the price has crossed above this line. You can see this is the line, the price has crossed this line, so it lost its importance. Okay, now let's mark the demand and supply zones for today. You can see here, this is the demand zone. This is the demand zone. We mark this with green color. We mark this with green color, and if the price is coming here, we can expect a bounce back from this. For example, if the price started somewhere here, for example, and if the price comes here, there is a chance to bounce back at this level. Okay, this is the power of demand zones. Okay, now the next one. Yeah, now this is going to be the supply zone for tomorrow. Why the supply zone? Suddenly it rejected from this level. It rejected from this level and there is a big fall from here. So this is a supply zone for tomorrow. Okay, we marked the supply and demand zones. Let's write the levels here. 51,223. 51,223. Okay, and so yeah, it's a demand zone. And the supply zone here is 52,341. Again in Nifty, let's see what is the supply and demand zone. Okay, let's delete this line. So you can see from here there is a big bullish candle here. So I would like to mark this level as supply zone. I'll give the color, yeah, here the color coding is green. Okay, 25,017. which is the demand zone, 25,017. Now let's mark the supply zone here. What is the supply zone? Immediate, yeah, this is the immediate supply zone. The level is 25 to 31, and I hope you understand how to mark these levels. This is the supply zone, which is the strong resistance, 25,231. Now the next one here is the virgin CPR. Okay, virgin CPR is something I can show you here. Virgin CPR is something like this. It doesn't have price inside it. You can see here, this doesn't have price inside it. So this level is treated as virgin CPR. I am giving this color to understand that in the live market, this is the virgin CPR. Okay. If the price is inside the candle, we don't treat it as virgin CPR. Both of them marked. And what are the turning points here? Turning point is something when a breakout happens and that breakout sustains, we call it as turning point. For example, here there is a breakout, but there is no follow through here. There is no follow through here like this. If the follow through happens, we treat it as turning point. There is no turning point in Nifty, and here you can see there is a breakout here and some sustain. The price has sustained for some more time. Okay, but this is not so significant, so I am not marking it as turning point. So no turning points. Now let's check what is the trend here. What is the trend? Okay. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty are in uptrend. Uptrend, and we can expect the days to be, let me analyze this and I will tell you. The days, okay, let me mark these levels first. This is the highly profitable trade locations for me, and let me analyze and tell you what is the expectation. And the expectation is this. I am expecting a sideways day, okay, in Bank Nifty, and it is going to be bullish. Okay, this is the complete analysis. So tomorrow I wanted to be sideways as per the pre-market analysis, but actually what happens is, in the live market with different situation, I may change my opinion. This comes with experience. This is the hardest part traders feel. They cannot adapt to the market's behavior. They keep on taking the trades against the market. That day they face the loss. To avoid that, I with more focus, I see the price and other different factors to take the trade. So let's go to Nifty analysis. The trend in Bank Nifty is definitely, let me tell you, definitely it's a uptrend, and let me process the information and I'm going to tell you what is the expectation for tomorrow. The expectation is this. Yeah. Okay, the expectation is I'm expecting a trending or a sideways day in Nifty. Okay, and I'm bullish in Nifty. I'm bullish in Nifty. This is the expectation for tomorrow. Okay, both the indices are in uptrend, expecting a sideways price action in Bank Nifty or in Nifty, trending or sideways price action. Both are bullish. This is how I do the pre-market analysis every single day, and I stick to my analysis. And thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to learn the complete system of CPR system and you have trust in this system, if you learn this system, if you may have some money from the markets. If this is your feeling, approach me in this mail ID so that I can tell you how to learn the system. You can take my course on complete CPR pivot point strategies, where you will learn the complete system and you will be able to do the analysis all by own. And after that, with some experience, you can gauge the market's movement and then you can make money. Approach me from at tradingtricks44@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching my videos.